Today I'm going to do addition by grid. Today we're going to add 22 and 23. First I have to take the string and put it on 22. Today we have here is 3 ones and 2 ones. No, I mean 2 tens. And 3 ones we take 3 steps right. So I'm going to take the string 2 5. 1 2 3. Okay. 2 steps. No, 2 tens is 2 step down. So I'm going to put this string down. "45 is our answers. We're going to write 45 here. That is how we do addition by grid.